Good morning, everyone. Johnathan Maness here, live for ClearCryptos. And I'm talking to you today about busting into 2023, okay? Do not take it lightly. We all know that cryptocurrency is down 70, 80, 90% in some cases. We all know that 2022 was the toughest bear market. It was frustrating. You really couldn't get much motivation. And a lot of people sold. Let's be completely real. That's what has driven the price down so low, okay? But with that, there's great opportunity out there. With that, there's huge amounts of money that can be made and success stories that can be told. What I believe in is getting behind projects, for example, ClearCryptos, with good people, clarity, honesty, and passion. Now, how do you say that, the one like Bandit? We don't even know who Satoshi is for SHIB, but you live and die with SHIB. But what I do live and die with SHIB for is the passion and the people in the community and the numbers, the raw numbers. If you look at the holders, if you look at the Google searches, if you look at every single platform, what they sell, that's why I believe in SHIB, the numbers. ClearCryptos, I believe in the people. I believe in the business side of it, the wanting to do good for people. That's what I believe in. 2023, I've made a decision due to, the loss of my father and words that he has said to me to go for it. I'm going to go for it. And I'm going to pick and choose winners based on due diligence, hard work, teamwork, and just doing things together. And I'm going to follow my principles that's got me here where I am today. And I want to take you on a ride with me. All right. I never tell anyone what to buy, what to trade, what to do. But what I am is I am the one-leg bandit, and I stand behind myself. I've always been out there. I've always answered everyone's emails, everyone's phone calls, no matter when. If you're confused, I'm here to help. In 2023, I want to help over 2,000 people get onboarded into crypto. That's myself. Last year, I got 657. Unless if I get a couple more tonight, which I don't think I'm going to because I'm working and I'm just going to do lives and things that matter. But I want 2,000 people next year, and I can do it, maybe even more, because now the process does not take me nowhere near as long. The wallets are so much more smarter now, so much quicker, and there's no telling how many people I'll bring into crypto next year. But what I want to offer to everyone that's watching this ClearCryptos video, if you need me, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, I can tell you what I've experienced and what I've been successful with. You reach out to me at the One Leg Bandit, and I'm everywhere. I will answer any questions that you have to the best of my ability to get you on the right track, to get you into the game, so you can then make better decisions using ClearCryptos platform to guide you along the path. Okay. As far as buys and sells and trades, I never tell anyone what to do. I tell people what I do sometimes, and you can follow me if you want to. I mean, heck, on eToro, you can go and click follow, and you can follow every single thing that anyone does. It's really very clear on eToro. That's why eToro will survive. They are very transparent, very, open about things as far as that goes. So if you want to follow, you can follow. But I never tell anyone what to do, and that's important. You need to know that in 2023, with these opportunities, you've got to be your own man, your own woman, and decide what you want to go with. You can hop on Bitcoin and Ethereum, which seem to be the standard for years, or you can play the outliers and hope for a big pop. And both ways will be successful in 2023, in my opinion. I don't feel that we're going to go down much further. Bitcoin has never lost 2 years in a row, never. And if it happens, it would be due to a war or something massive, in my opinion. I do believe Bitcoin is going to bottom out here, probably in the next month or so. And I believe we start to see a historic rise towards the halving in 2024. And, let's face it, a lot of these things has been manipulated down. So the people that missed that ride last time, who didn't even understand what crypto was, can now get in and play the game. And you always have to think like that. There's always a yin and a yang. So as we roll into 2023, few things to take. The One Leg Bandit, please subscribe to me wherever I am, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you want to subscribe. The One Leg Bandit is there. Please subscribe to ClearCryptos. Very important. This team is bringing you information without adding fluff to it, so you can see what is black and white. Again, yin and yang. And just if you're going to play this game, be very calculated to how much you want to put into it. And when you do make a decision, be passionate about it. Get involved. Shiba Inu is whatever we want it to be. I have created so much excitement with Shiba Inu and so much, connectiveness and togetherness. And whatever program you get in, whatever you decide to do, go all in 2023. Tomorrow is not promised. Those are words from my dad. Go for it. When you think of the one-leg bandit, go for it. Go for it as far as you want to go for it. But I am going for it. I'm going to lift my projects up to where they need to be, where we want to be, and we're rolling into the future. If anyone thinks that Web3 or decentralization or cryptocurrency is going anywhere, they've completely bumped their heads. It is not happening. We are a massive force to be reckoned with. I hope you all have a safe New Year's. Have a great time. Kiss the ones that you love and get ready, because when that clock strikes 12 and we roll over to 23, it's go time, baby. One Leg Bandit loves you. I'll holler at you later.